Northeast moving at 10 miles per hour. It's got 35-mile-per-hour winds. This tropical depression will be a tropical storm in the next 24 hours. It's going to head for Cuba, skirt the southern sections of Florida, pretty much put most of the smaller barrier islands of the Keys likely underwater, depending on whether or not it makes its way there at high tide. This is afternoon time as a tropical storm, but winds. Tropical storm force winds in excess of maybe 55 mile per hour sustained winds for a couple of days is going to cause some damage, wind damage certainly. This is your spaghetti model futurecast, which I also put a timestamp so you can really see that a week from now, next Saturday, November 14th, is when we expect to see Eta, this low pressure center in the Gulf of Mexico. Only one forecast model has it moving closer to sections off the coast of Louisiana, which is shocking because Louisiana has seen most of the action. But this is what the trend is. We have a couple of weather features right now in the Gulf of Mexico that are kind of steering this particular direction. So 6 o'clock in the morning on Sunday, potentially a tropical storm over Cuba, and then it starts to make that turn into the Gulf of Mexico as we head towards Monday and Tuesday. So that's at least 3 days of rain for areas like Fort Myers and Tampa, the outer bands, likely moving into portions of the Gulf of Mexico from Tuesday, Wednesday on into Thursday. Hasn't really moved much in the Gulf of Mexico. That's 3 days off the coast of Florida, the west central portions of Florida. There's Tampa and there's Fort Myers, so it's still off the west coast. And then it encounters a pretty large ridge that we have sailing southward by Friday that's going to change our temperatures. But this is a tropical weather feature, so it's going to take some significant weather to break it down. So it still stays as our moisture source through Saturday. So we're talking about it hanging out in the Gulf of Mexico for several days and then eventually getting swept away by a front. So the Eta is going to be something we'll have on our plates for at least another week. 54 degrees right now in Birmingham. Our day looks pretty good. Just a slight chance for a spotty shower in South Alabama, high of 76. But really the rain chances, the widespread rain chances, are not going to move in until we get towards the mid to late part of the week. That's when we start really tracking that tropical weather.